Ryan,
Yes, boss?
I want you to deliver a box.
Okay, boss. My back. My back hurts.
Ryan, are you okay?
I'm alright, boss.
Ryan, I want you to take the day off.
Thank you, boss. How to crack my own back. This girl might have the answer. What? It's the dude. Okay, I'll give this a try. My ankle. Oh, my knee. Oh my goodness. Damn that wedding singer.